Hey there, gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Quick question for you. How many glasses of plain water have you had today? 2? 4? Maybe 8, because everyone keeps saying that's what healthy men should do, right? Well, here's the shocking truth. If you're over 50, drinking plain water might actually be one of the most overrated habits in your entire health routine. Sounds crazy, I know. Water keeps you alive, but it doesn't necessarily keep you vital. See, after a certain age, your body's relationship with hydration changes. Your cells, your blood vessels, even your hormones stop responding to plain water the way they used to. And what feels like good hydration on the surface may actually leave your body dry and depleted where it matters most. So today, let's change how you see that simple glass of water forever. Because while water keeps you alive, it doesn't necessarily keep you vital. Plain water alone can't deliver what your aging cells, blood vessels, and hormones truly need. After 50, your body requires more than just hydration, it needs activation. And that's exactly what we'll unlock today. I'll show you what to add to your daily glass of water to transform it into a blood flow boosting powerhouse. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, tap that like button, hit subscribe if you're new here, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love hearing from men all over the world who are taking charge of their health and vitality. Now, get comfortable, because what you're about to learn may surprise you. So yes, water is essential, but the kind of hydration you give your body after 50 determines everything. Think of it this way: water is the fuel, but minerals are the spark plugs. Without that spark, even the best fuel will not ignite the engine. Most men think they are doing everything right. They drink plenty of water, eat clean, and exercise, yet still feel sluggish, tense, or out of balance. That is because they are not truly lacking water, they are lacking minerals. Without minerals, your cells cannot communicate, your muscles cannot relax, and your blood vessels cannot open. Water without minerals is like electricity without a current, it simply does not flow. True hydration is not about drinking more, it is about drinking smarter. In a moment, I will reveal the 4 key minerals that transform plain water into a powerful blood flow and energy booster. 6. The 4 essential minerals every man over 50 needs. Gentlemen, now that you understand why plain water is not enough, let us bring your hydration to life by adding what your body truly needs: minerals. These are not optional extras. They are the electrical wiring that powers every cell, keeps your blood vessels open, and helps your body function with strength and precision. Think of them as your hidden power source. Without them, even the healthiest habits fall short. Let us explore the 4 essential minerals that can completely change how your body feels and performs after 50. 6.1 Magnesium, the relaxation mineral. If there is one mineral every man over 50 should pay attention to, it is magnesium. This single nutrient is involved in more than 300 vital processes in your body. Yet most men are deficient. Magnesium is your body's natural relaxant. It opens your blood vessels, releases tension, and keeps your heartbeat steady. When your levels are low, your arteries tighten, your circulation slows, and your body remains in a constant state of stress. Calcium tells your muscles to contract, and magnesium tells them to relax. When magnesium is missing, calcium takes over. Your arteries stay tense, your blood pressure rises, and your energy feels blocked. But when you restore magnesium, your blood vessels widen, your muscles relax, and your energy begins to flow freely. Tip: add half a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate powder to your morning glass of water. It dissolves easily and absorbs quickly. Within 3 weeks, you will notice calmer mornings, smoother energy, and stronger circulation. 6.2 Sodium, the gatekeeper of hydration. Now before you worry, I am not talking about processed table salt. I am talking about natural, unrefined salt such as pink Himalayan or sea salt. Sodium has a bad reputation, but in its natural form, it is essential. It acts as the gatekeeper that helps water enter your cells. Without sodium, hydration stays on the surface. You can drink plenty of water, but most of it passes through your body without doing its job. Have you ever felt thirsty or tired even after drinking a lot of water? That is a clear sign you are low in sodium and electrolytes. Without enough sodium, your body cannot hold hydration, your energy drops, and your muscles weaken. Tip: add a small pinch of pink Himalayan salt or sea salt to your morning water. Just the tip of your finger is enough. This small habit turns plain water into a mineral-charged drink that hydrates you deeply and helps you start your day feeling focused and strong. 6.3 Potassium, the balancer. If magnesium is the relaxer and sodium is the gatekeeper, potassium is the balancer. It works with sodium to maintain the electrical charge inside your cells. This balance keeps your heart rhythm steady, your nerves active, and your muscles responsive. Most men overlook potassium, yet low levels quietly contribute to high blood pressure and poor circulation. When potassium drops, your arteries stiffen, your heart strains, and your energy fades. Restoring potassium helps your arteries stay flexible and your blood flow freely. It also prevents the wired but tired feeling that comes from too much sodium or caffeine. When sodium and potassium are balanced, your body feels stable and recharged. Tip: mix half a scoop of a potassium-rich electrolyte powder into your water once a day, preferably after exercise or in the evening. Choose one that is low in sugar but high in minerals. This simple habit restores balance and supports deep, restful sleep. 6.4 Zinc, the testosterone guardian. Finally, let us talk about zinc, the mineral that quietly governs your strength, focus, and vitality. Zinc regulates testosterone, supports immune health, and influences everything from your mood to your stamina. Even a mild zinc deficiency can lower testosterone, leaving you tired, foggy, and less motivated. The challenge is that zinc becomes harder to absorb with age, especially from tablets. That is why I recommend using liquid zinc drops. Just a few drops in your midday water can make a noticeable difference. Zinc also supports prostate health, speeds recovery, and helps your body handle stress, key benefits for men over 50. Tip: add a few drops of liquid zinc to your water around lunchtime. It is quick, simple, and ensures your body gets what it needs for balanced hormones and lasting vitality. Gentlemen, these four minerals, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and zinc, work together like a finely tuned team. Each one plays a different role, yet together they keep your heart steady, your energy strong, and your mind clear. You will feel the difference not only in your body but also in your focus, your sleep, and your confidence. Once your cells are electrically balanced, every system performs better. Your hydration becomes functional, not just basic. Your water stops being plain, it becomes your daily source of power, balance, and renewal. Now let us turn all this knowledge into something simple, practical, and powerful, a daily 3-step mineral plan you can start today. Step 1. Morning blood flow kickstart. Fill a large glass of water and add half a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate plus a tiny pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Drink it slowly as you take a few deep breaths. This combination opens your blood vessels, relaxes your muscles, and gives your body the spark to start the day strong and steady. Step 2. Midday hormone and immune support. Around lunchtime, add a few drops of liquid zinc to your water. It keeps your testosterone levels stable, supports your immune system, and prevents that mid-afternoon energy crash. Step 3. Evening circulation rebalance. After dinner or exercise, mix half a scoop of a potassium-rich electrolyte powder into your water. This restores balance, calms your cardiovascular system, and helps you wind down for deep, refreshing sleep. 3 simple steps, 5 minutes a day, and your body begins to feel recharged from the inside out. Let us get real for a moment. When men start noticing slower mornings, weaker circulation, or fading energy, it is easy to feel discouraged. You might think, maybe this is just age catching up to me. But that is not the truth. What you are feeling is not failure, it is feedback. Your body is not broken, it is simply asking for better communication. Those signals of fatigue, stiffness, or low drive are your cells trying to reconnect. And when you restore that electrical conversation through proper minerals and hydration, everything begins to wake up again. Energy returns, confidence rebuilds, and your strength no longer feels like a memory, it becomes your daily reality. When you begin to restore the minerals your body has been missing, something powerful happens. Your energy rises, your focus sharpens, and that quiet inner confidence returns. You start sleeping deeper, waking up stronger, and feeling more in control of your body each day. This is not about turning back time or pretending to be young again. It is about reconnecting with the strength, clarity, and vitality that have always been yours. When your body is balanced, your mind follows, and life begins to flow with ease and purpose. True vitality is not about feeling young. It is about feeling fully alive, steady, and powerful in the body you live in right now. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real, science-backed health advice. Remember, you are not aging out, you are leveling up. Stay hydrated, stay strong, and never forget, your best years are not behind you, they are waking up right now.